Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to bring you my take on not only salmon fish tacos but cod fish tacos, and I'm going to compare the two and tell you which one is my most or least favorite, or if it's a tie. I will list all of the ingredients down below, so don't worry. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Your support is so much appreciated. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a video. And if you find this video to be useful, helpful in some way, and you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. But right now, let's get right into it. guys here, my camera died, so I am trying to capture what I can on my phone at this point. So both these tacos taste amazing. I do have a favorite, and it's the fried salmon. I just like the texture of the salmon a little more because it's a little bit more meatier than the cod. The cod has a softer texture, but I absolutely love that one too. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe.